Hello everyone. I am here with an announcement for you about Exam 2, and the short version is I've made a huge mistake and I apologize. You've been all very patient with me as I've had little hiccups here and there. I don't think too bad with this class necessarily, but you've been very patient with me. I want to tell you what has happened and to let you know that I want to make sure that it impacts you as little as possible. And anyway, so here's what's happened. So for Exam 2, on the study guide, I mistakenly referred to Chapter 6 as being the consistency chapter. Part of it is because the last edition, it actually was, Chapter 6 was consistency, and they reordered the book chapters. Regardless, I just confused myself. I just got confused. I was working too late putting the exam together. And so when I put the study guide together as well, I had said it was, Chapter 6 was on consistency. Since we've already read that chapter, you of course know it's chapter 9. So on the study guide, it should have said chapter 6. I think it is receiver factors, I think is what they call it. It's all the sort of psychological dimensions and demographic sort of stuff. That's what the exam is actually supposed to cover. The other problem is when I posted the exam, I went back to the test bank I've created. All the persuasion questions are from me. I wrote all those questions. I pulled from the bank of questions I've written for the consistency chapter, even though I just created that same section of the exam for you 3 weeks ago. So what that means is I have to redo the exam and repost it. 5 of you have already taken the exam, 1 attempt. I'm going to reach out to you personally on what's going to be the best way to solve that problem. The short version is I have to repost the study guide and repost the exam. That will be this afternoon. Today is the 5th. That'll be the afternoon of March 5th. I'll extend the exam later again. If for some reason these extensions are affecting you in some way, you now are going to have a hard time taking the exam because it has bumped something for you. Reach out to me personally. Let me know and we'll work it out. This is my fault. I completely own that, and so I have to find a way to fix that for you. Like I say, if you've already taken the exam, I'm going to work with you on the best solution for this. Otherwise, I'm reposting the study guide for Exam 2, and the Exam 2 itself will be up this afternoon. Again, that's Thursday, March 5th. Thank you all for your patience. I've really been impressed, by the way, how many of you in the class have been very much engaged. I usually see people drop off engagement. You all have stuck with the class. I think that's great. Thank you, and I'm sorry I just made this completely idiot bonehead mistake, and I've got to own it. So if there's any problems, you let me know. Otherwise, you'll see the exam up this afternoon, and I'm reposting the study guide. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.